to the Malibu, the scraper, dog.
Yeah.
Woo! This is how we live it. Check it out. Check it out. This is how we living up in Tack Town. Tack Town. This is how we living. Low.
Yeah.
This is how we living. We ride real low, like low to the ground, cuz. Listen.
We ride spinners. We ride spinners too. They just say spinner right now.
Now this is a real ice cream paint job. You hear? Ice cream paint job. That's that coke white. You know
Let's look around. Come on, get the back. Get the back. Get the back.
You know what I'm saying? We got bitches that be all up in here all the time. You got the
Bitches all day. Bitches all night.
Here, let me try to get my shit open. It ain't opening right now. No, it's okay. Don't even worry about that. You know, we parlay. We got the, what is that, an 8-track? Holy shit! We got the blanket if you cold. You know what I'm saying? We get down on our tools. And don't hate on my whole bucket, because this shit is clean.
Oh, you can see me. It's real clean. You guys really can't get that open?
That is real clean.